Namaste, coders. Welcome to Code Trade Academy. Today, we're going to talk about something really cool, object-oriented programming. Or OOP for short. I know some of you might be thinking, OOP, isn't that some complex, boring topic? But trust me, it's not. OOP is like building with Legos. You have these tiny blocks, called objects, that can be connected and arranged to create something amazing. And just like how you can use Legos to build a house, a car, or even a robot, OOP allows you to create. So, let's start with the basics. In OOP, we have two main concepts: classes and objects. A class is like a blueprint or a template that defines the properties and behaviors of an object. Think of it like a recipe for your favorite dish. The recipe is like a class, and the actual dish you make is like an object. You can use the same recipe to make multiple dishes, just like how you can use the same class to create multiple objects. And just like how you can customize your dish with different ingredient. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of OOP. We have something called inheritance, which allows us to create a new class based on an existing class. It's like building a new Lego castle using the same blocks as the old one. We also have polymorphism, which allows us to use the same object in different ways, just like how you can use a toy car as a toy or as a decoration. And then there's encapsulation, which helps us hide the internal details of an object and only show the necessary information. Let's look at a real example. Suppose we're building a simple banking system, and we want to create a class for a bank account. We can define the properties of the account, such as the account number, balance, and owner's name. And then we can define the behaviors, such as depositing and withdrawing money. Here's some sample code. Class bank account, private int account number, private double balance, public bank account, int account number, double balance. This account number equals account number. T. Now, let's talk about some pro tips. When using OOP, it's essential to keep your classes and objects organized and reusable. You can use design patterns, such as the singleton pattern or the factory pattern, to make your code more efficient. And don't forget to use inheritance and polymorphism to create a more flexible and scalable system. Here's an example of using the singleton pattern. Class singleton, private static singleton instance, public static singleton get instance, if instance equals. And that's it, folks. I hope you learned something new and exciting about OOP today. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go ahead and create your own classes and objects. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. And if you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste, coders.